Okay, brother, today I have nothing to teach you, so I just decided that we are going to do a little bit of trading and chilling, okay? Indeed, I made a successful one-to-one, more or less, risk-reward ratio trade. You can see it's over here. So yeah, we will go through that. But mostly, bro, before we start, who am I? Basically, my name is Yasha Roth, and I document my trading journey on this exact channel that you are watching right now, okay? So, let's go now together through today's price action. This is the Nasdaq chart on 1 minute graph, and basically what happened was a massive move higher. Why? Because if we go to weekly chart, let me hide all the drawings. If we go to weekly chart, you can see that we swept a lot of liquidity over there, and then we are starting to go higher and higher and higher to target those relative equal highs over here. So this was previous week, and then since we closed above previous week's higher week, that means that we have a chance that this week is also going to be bullish. So yeah, this is the movement. Then also if we go to daily chart, you can see that yesterday we had a nice deep lower. We touched this particular bullish fair value gap. So now we are going higher and higher and higher. Why? Because we know that on a weekly chart, we are targeting those two equal highs, okay? So daily bias was bullish, weekly bias was bullish. So it was very foolish of me. That rhymes, by the way. It was very foolish of me that I went short, because yeah, we are in an extremely bullish environment, okay? But the reason why I took this short is simply because once the market opened, you can see that with this little move downwards, okay, we swept all over here, all this liquidity, okay, those relative equal lows, okay, we swept that and then continued higher. But if we go to SP 500, if we go to SP 500, you will see that over here we haven't swept anything. You see, over here we haven't swept anything, so all of those equal like lows, you know, remained intact. So my idea was that first we go higher, okay, and then we go lower and sweep all of those lows over here, okay? But that didn't happen. So yeah, I still closed at 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, which was good. But basically the whole idea of this trade was the following, that over here we created 15 minutes high. Then usually what will the price do? The price will usually create one particular high, and then it's gonna go above that high to fake people out, you know. So here people will think that, okay, we are gonna go now for real lower. So they enter over here, they put stop loss exactly like this, as I did it, okay? Then the price goes higher and then starts to actually then move lower and lower and lower, okay? So I was waiting for so-called double sweep, okay? This is the term that I just invented, okay? So let's call this a double liquidity sweep. So I was waiting for that, and then I saw that we have over here a bullish fair value gap, okay? And then the price immediately came inside that particular bullish fair value gap. So I put my stop loss over here, I entered, okay? And I was targeting the beginning of this tiny little bullish fair value gap, okay? So you can see the price goes up through the bearish fair value gap. Here I got panicked a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, I panicked a little bit. But then eventually the price came lower and we closed it, okay? So I closed the trade because it was a very risky trade, because then I rechecked everything what was going on, and as we already figured out, we are in an extremely bullish environment. And yes, I called, like I knew that we are gonna go eventually over here, touch this little line, okay? But yeah, that's about it, bro. Trading and chilling, you know, as it's the title of this video. So what could we have done better in today's trading session was to take this particular move you see over here, we would put our equilibrium here and then over here on the top, and then you can see what happened over here with the price action. The price action went lower. Okay, so the price went lower, touched equilibrium, and also swept this particular lows over here, which are just perfectly sitting on 0.5 on equilibrium. Coincidence? I think not. So yeah, what could we have done was to wait over here for the break of structure. So we have break of structure over here. And then what I would also do is I would wait for inverse fair value gap over here. And then once this candle here inverse the fair value gap, I would enter. And yeah, it would be a nice one-to-one risk reward ratio as well. Maybe even 1 to 6. Who knows? But at this point, I would already put my stop loss to 0 and basically have a free risk-free trade. Okay. So yeah, that's about it, bro, for today. Like nothing too crazy. As I told you, my anticipation was to go lower because Nasdaq swept those particular short-term lows, but SP 500 didn't. So my idea was that we will go lower, but then due to very high weekly and daily bullish environment, yeah, I decided to close the trade earlier. And that's about it. Okay, so yeah, that was the trade, and you could see that we could catch this particular trade higher and higher and higher. Okay, so that would have been a massive win. Good. So at this point, I invite you also to join my Discord server. It's in the first link in the description. Basically, what we have is over here daily analysis. We have trading breakdowns. Okay. Shit. Wait, I need to see the trade again because I need to document it in the group. Yes, okay, like this. Okay, I need to document it in the group, but basically here you can see all of my trades. Okay, and yeah, we have also self-improvement and just chilling environment. Okay, why? Because our mission is to become better traders and stronger men. So you watched until this point, so obviously you want to support my mission so that we can get rich with trading and get better with self-improvement. So subscribe to my channel and support me that way. Thank you very much, brother. Do the hard work and see you on top of the world.